Welcome to Tips for Tech AV.
This is a new YouTube channel about technology, so please support the channel and hit subscribe. Well, I made some videos about traveling, so it's time for some technology. And you need to know that I love watching movies and TV shows, obviously. And the closest thing of having your own home theater is buying a video projector and a projector screen.
Hello there.
This video will feature the unboxing of my new projector screen, model number below, and it's going to replace my old standard white projector screen. This one is made by Elite Screens and it costs in the United States around $400 and $500 US. This new screen features a new technology called ALR, which stands for Ambient Light Rejecting. I will be making a video about this technology in the future, but long story short, you know, movie theaters are dark for a reason.
Silly Caucasian girl likes to play with samurai swords.
Because the number one enemies are light, white walls, and windows, which is basically my home. Well, these screens will reject the light and make the picture and the contrast so much better. Okay, it's unboxing time. These are not sold in Argentina, so I had to import one myself. Here, take a look at the package dimensions. Lucky for me, it wasn't heavy at all. Important tip: it's recommended to assemble this screen with 2 people. And indeed, it's true. Product arrived well protected and materials appear to be excellent. The user guide is pretty straightforward. But this video will be better. Around that cylinder, that's the actual screen. Those are little clips. You will see them in action in a few minutes. They will secure the screen to the frame. So step number 1, assemble the frame that will support the screen. Basically, it means putting all of these black parts together. Once fully assembled, end up making the frame. After this step is completed, you should lay some sort of protection on the floor. I just used some bed sheets to lay down the black frame. Now you must unroll the cylinder containing the actual screen. You must look for the sticker that displays where's the back of the screen. Now you must insert these sticks in some holes around the screen. Once every single stick is inside the screen, you must tighten these screen borders containing the sticks against the frame. And speaking of making a strong frame, this is the last step towards a firm structure. You need to slide that vertical central bar right in the center of the frame. Now it's time to enjoy and test it, so I'm gonna need a few months to give you my final statement and my impressions, so please click on subscribe and you receive the notification when the video is ready. As a teaser, the image is so much better and the contrast is great, much better than before. I hope you have fun watching this quick video. Remember, this is a brand new YouTube channel about technology. See you soon.